Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Pritam and in this video I am going to share with you how you can make a Google search of any topic in just 2 lines of Python code. So open your computer, choose any code editor and let's get started. To make a Google search we need Pywhatkit module. It's a powerful Python module having so many useful features. Since it is an external module we need to install it first. So open your command prompt and write pip install Pywhatkit. I have already installed it, but in your case it will take some time to install. After installing, open any code editor and create a Python file first. Here I am using VS Code and I have created a main.py file. Now the first step is to import our module. So write import Pywhatkit. Now in Pywhatkit module, we have a function called search. And it takes the topic we want to search as an argument. So write pywhatkit.search and here I am passing Python programming language as an argument. Now run the code and you can see that your default browser will be opened automatically to make the Google search of your topic. So hope you understood how to make a Google search using Python. Don't forget to like this video, comment your opinions and share it with everyone. Remember, your support will motivate me to make more videos on Python. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to here, then this is the channel where you will get daily quality Python tutorials. So smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get unlimited Python tutorials daily.